Right now, this woman is leading the global public vote. Eritrea, small in size, never small in spirit. Her name is Snit, a neuroscientist, an educator, a woman carrying the story of a sister who has Down syndrome and the memory of her mother lost to breast cancer. That's the love behind her light. And behind her, an entire nation that never needed permission to be strong. Votes pouring in from across the diaspora, Eritrea moving as one. They are few in number, but when Eritreans show up, they show up like this. Eritrea, vote Snit. Vote Eritrea.